My name is Asher Ben Aryeh. I'm the Dean of the School of Social Work at the Hebrew University and the Director of the Harov Institute. And after more than a year of being heavily involved in the effects of the October 7 and trauma on children, I can tell you that if we won't be able to deal with the mental health trauma and the consequences of October 7, the impact will be way beyond the children themselves, and the trauma would spread, and we will need to deal with a much bigger issue later on. The second and the positive aspect is that if we will try to address it in the right way, we will probably learn new methods and new ways how to better and to improve the life of children around the world, and that would benefit not only the children of Israel but the whole child population of the world. Thank you very much.